Hey there, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add social sharing options on your website and allow your website users to share your website content over the popular social media platforms. The social share widget of our htmega plugin allows anyone to share your website content over their social network. This way, your website will show up in front of more people, so the user traffic on your website will be increased. Social sharing will also help you increase the possibility of ranking better on search engines. Let me show you how you can add social sharing options on your website. From the Elementor edit screen, create a section. Now search for the social share widget. Drag the widget to the section. From this panel, you can add social sharing links. Select social media from here. Now insert the title and icon. In the Style tab, you can customize the styles for each social sharing link individually. From the Icon Style tab, you can customize the icon styles for each social sharing link individually. Add more links if you need. In the Advanced Options panel, you can select what you want to display for the links. From the Style tab, you can manage the necessary styles for all the elements of this widget. So this is how you can add social sharing options on your website. If you have any questions regarding this widget, please let us know in the comments section. So that's it for this video guys, and I will see you in the next one.